Why does your scanner show the P0237 engine code? What does it mean? P0237 is a diagnostic trouble code for Turbocharger Boost Sensor A circuit low. The P0237 engine code indicates that the ECM detects the intake boost pressure sensor A input circuit low below specifications, indicating a short to ground. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Shorted turbo boost pressure sensor. Loose or faulty turbo boost pressure sensor A connector. Frayed or grounded wiring. Failing powertrain control module. Defects in the turbocharger. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Chevrolet, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.